Hey guys, so my second article for today, my second video for today, is going to be on this article that I read online recently about foods that cause cancer. So I wrote down a bunch of little random facts that I read on the article, and I definitely want to share it with you guys because these are everyday foods that people are eating that we really, really need to avoid. So the first one is microwavable popcorn. The bags are lined with sorry if I say this wrong, perfuorotonic acid. It's also known as PFOA. It's found in Teflon, which is used to coat non-stick cooking utensils. And you're eating that, which is really disturbing. It increases risk of kidney, bladder, liver, pancreas, and testicular cancers. Most popcorns that are microwavable are made with GMO products and a preservative called profilate, which is a chemical that causes stomach problems and skin rashes. And I was just doing my video previous to this about acne and about complexions and all of that, so eating microwavable popcorn, that's not going to help you out. The second one is non-organic fruits. Obviously, as we know, they are filled with pesticides and covered with coats of pesticides, such as atrazine, thiodicarb, and organophosphates, and high nitrogen fertilizers. It causes major problems with reproductive capabilities. So definitely try to buy all your foods organic, if not local, or try to grow fruits and vegetables in your backyard, have a garden in the summer and the spring. Just shoot for healthier options. The third one is canned tomatoes and canned foods in general. They're made with chemicals called BPA, and it causes different types of cancers. Canned tomatoes, they say, are worse because the acid in them actually causes the BPA to leach out of its lining and contaminate the actual tomatoes. So definitely don't buy canned tomatoes. Buy fresh tomatoes, buy jarred tomatoes. Just make sure they're not in the can that's actual metal. The number 4 is hydrogenated oils, such as butter and vegetable oils. They're causing an influence in our cell membrane structure and flexibility, which is linked to cancer. So definitely just try to use olive oils, avocado oil, coconut oil, things like that, just extra virgin olive oil, things that are definitely an obvious healthier choice when you're food shopping. The next one is that are any foods that are highly salted, pickled, or smoked. They're cured by the use of nitrates, and that's a preservative, and it's associated with a greater increase of cancer. So if you're eating foods that are really salty, really smoked, it's not going to be good for you guys. The next one is actually white flour, and I've read a lot of studies on this because I do eat mostly whole wheat, but also once in a while I have white pasta or white bread. It's not, a crime to do that, but it actually causes high glycemic index, and I read a whole book on that, and it's fooling around with your body. It's going to make you feel full, and then you get really hungry really quick. It digests through your body real quick, doesn't give you a lot of nutrients. So definitely try to stick to whole wheat. It has more fiber, more protein. It's definitely going to give you a greater fulfillment and things like that. The next one are GMOs, obviously. Clearly, genetically modified ingredients. They're everywhere in our society. Everywhere. Every food has them. So unless your food says it's a little stamp and it's like a little flower-looking thing, and unless it says non-GMO certified, then don't buy it if it doesn't say that, because you're definitely putting yourself and your family at risk. The next one are artificial sweeteners. They actually contain aspartame, which can cause convulsions and cancers. I've also watched a documentary, I think it was called The Beautiful Truth, and it actually focuses on aspartame and environmental factors that can cause cancers and brain damage, and aspartame actually can cause brain tumors. It's really scary. So definitely stay away from artificial sweeteners and steer clear. The next one is red meats. You really want to try to have this as sporadically as possible. They cause breast prostate and colon cancer, so that's a really high risk factor, and you're really exposing yourself to a bunch of different sicknesses, and it's just not worth it. So try to stay with the lean meats, chicken, turkey, and only have red meats when you need to. The last one is soda. It causes insulin resistance and inflammation, gastroesophageal reflux disease, and cancer. So stay away from soda. Only drink water, tea, coffee, yeah, once in a while, but don't go too crazy. Yeah, so definitely keep in mind all these foods that can cause cancer, and definitely remember that when you're food shopping or cooking or anything like that. It's really important, so I hope you guys really take into consideration. I'll be posting on my blog too. I'll post it in the link below, and I hope you guys check it out.